Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today my topic of discussion is positivity, and the first thing I would like to say is that you should have positive affirmation, that if something is happening in your life, then it is happening because of a reason, and if one door closes, another one will open. So today, if you are not able to succeed, then remember that you will be able to succeed in the near future. Second is that you should pay less attention towards negative thoughts. Why? Because lot many people will try to influence you, they will provoke you, they will create negativity around you, but it is up to you how you take it. And let me tell you one thing, positivity will only make you a good person, and it will take you towards the right direction. So please pay less attention towards the negative thought. Third is that you should be kind towards yourself. Why? Because lot many people try to blame themselves, criticize themselves due to a job loss or a breakup or a trauma. So remember that if these things took place in your life, maybe it took place because of some reason, and you should not try to blame yourself or be at or try to think that you are at fault. So instead, always remember that if things are happening, it is happening due to some reason. So just be kind towards yourself. Next would be that you should always practice gratitude, and don't crib if you don't have something with you right now. Instead, be thankful towards God for giving you so much in life, and always remember that God is always kind towards us. So please practice gratitude daily. Try and go outdoors. I know due to COVID-19 we cannot go out, but my telling you to go out is because if you spend more time with the nature, then you will get more positivity inside you. So that's why you should spend time with the nature. And if you are not able to step out, then bring some indoor plants in your house, and sit next to a plant and water the plants, and spend some time with the plants. The next thing would be practice meditation. Why? Because meditation will first of all give you peace. Second, it will heal you. Healing is really important. So once you are healed, then nobody is going to stop you from going towards the positive path and becoming a positive person. So please practice meditation on a daily basis. So we should the next thing would be that we should check out on what kind of language we are using, and instead of using hurtful words and hurting that other person, we should be polite and kind towards that person, and check out on our language, because once those words are said, it cannot be taken back. So please be polite towards whosoever you are conveying your message to. And hope my tips helps you in becoming a positive person, and hope you follow these tips. I'm sure in some or the other way it will help you, and positivity will definitely take you towards a right path towards life, and will heal you faster, and will make you a better person in the long run. So please practice positivity. Thank you so much.